Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a 90s Smokey eye featuring the SheGlam Cosmic Crystal Collection. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the SheGlam Skinny Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown, which is only $3. Most of the products I'm using today are from SheGlam and they are only $10. You can also use my discount code TheTaylorSherieZ to get 15% off. Once I've done that, I'm cleaning up the lower edge of the brows with the Plouise base in the shade 0.5, and then I'm setting the brow hairs in place with the St. Luxe Beauty Clear Brow Gel. Then I'm tapping the Plouise base all over the eyelid, making it nice and smooth in preparation for the eyeshadow. For today's look, we're just using 3 shades of brown. I'm dipping into the Higher Self Cosmic Crystal Eyeshadow Quad and picking up the darkest shade in the palette and packing this onto the lid beneath the crease. Once I have a good color payoff, I'm starting to swirl my brush around to smooth out the edges a bit in order to make the application of the next shade easier. After that, I'm picking up the light brown shade from the same eyeshadow quad and sweeping this along the top edge of what we just applied. I'm using small circular and windshield wiper motions to achieve a seamless blend. After that, I'm switching over to the Cosmic Crystal 5-color eyeshadow range in tan lines and dipping my brush into the darkest part of this, which will be our medium brown shade, and I'm applying this to the crease so that it ends up being in between the dark and light brown shades. Now that we have a nice gradient going, I'm switching over to the face makeup. I'm priming my face with the Birthday Skin Primer, and then I'm pouncing the Complexion Pro Foundation in the shade Porcelain onto the skin with a dampened, multifaceted makeup sponge. All by SheGlam, which can be found on Shein.com. For concealer, I'm using the Eye Candy Concealer in the shade 201 Finland, and then I'm contouring with the Color and Sculpt Stick in the shade Espresso. I'm just flipping my sponge over to the other side to blend that out, and once that's blended, I'm setting underneath my eyes with the Baked Glow setting powder. Next, I'm applying the Nars Laguna bronzer to the same areas I applied the Color and Sculpt Stick to in order to further create shadows and define the face. I'm cleaning up my cheek and nose contour with the translucent powder so that it looks sharper, and then I'm dusting that away with the Morphe JH07 brush. Now to highlight the face, I'm using the SheGlam Cosmic Crystal Mousse Highlighter in the shade Vanilla Sky. This has a very creamy texture and can be used with a sponge or brush. After that, I'm applying the Cosmic Crystal Mousse Blush in the shade Rose Before Bros, and then I'm setting everything in place with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Going back to the eyes, I'm applying the dark and light brown shades from the eyeshadow quad to the bottom lash line, starting with the dark brown on a small precise brush super close to the waterline, and then using a Morphe M562 brush for the light brown color. Next, I'm applying the SheGlam waterproof mascara and popping on the Boldface Muse Collection lashes in the style Meant to Be. To blend the false lashes with my real ones, I'm tightlining with the Mellow Cosmetics Mineral Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Snack. Then I'm applying the brown shade called Chocolate Chip to the waterline for a smoky effect and adding mascara to the bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the Cosmic Crystal Matte Lipstick in the shade Clouds in My Coffee from SheGlam. It's super pigmented and only $4. And that completes this 90s smoky look. Let me know what decade most inspires you, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!